Welcome to Bryan's Auctions, the home of great deals. We are going to walk you through registering and bidding on items in the online auction, as well as explain the payment and pickup process. First, visit bryansauction.com. Once you're there, click on Learn More for the current auction, or scroll down to see other upcoming auctions. This page also showcases featured items and preview times that you can personally view the items before placing your online bid. Next, click on Register to Bid. From there, you can enter your HiBid login, or if you don't have a HiBid account, click on the Register Here button and fill in the details. Once you've created and logged into your HiBid account, you can register and bid on items in the auction. When you register to bid for an auction, for security and verification purposes, you'll be required to provide a credit card. A small, temporary charge will be applied to confirm the card is valid and refunded shortly after. Please note that this card is not used for payment purposes. Be sure to take the time to fully review the terms and conditions for the auction, which includes details on buyer's premium, item descriptions and condition, and the payment options. As you browse the online catalog, you can add items to your watch list by clicking on the star icon. Once you've added the item to your watch list, you also have the option to add notes. To view your watch list and bids, click on the green bids or blue watches buttons at the top of the page. When the auction is open, you can bid on an item by clicking on the bid button. You'll be prompted to confirm your bid total with buyer's premium. You can also set your max bid by authorizing the system to bid on your behalf up to your predetermined amount. Please note that if two identical max bids are placed on the same item, the max bid that was placed first will be declared the winner. During the last 2 minutes, you cannot bid from your watch list, so once the sale begins closing, it's best to bid from the live catalog. The prices in the live catalog are updated in real time and show a countdown timer. Remember that each bid still requires confirmation, so don't wait until the last seconds. If a bid is placed during the final 2 minutes of a lot, an additional 60 seconds is added. This is called soft close or bid extension. If you've won an item, you'll receive an invoice by email within 24 to 48 hours after the auction has finished, with payment options and instructions. Once you've paid for your purchase, you'll receive a paid invoice email with a link to book your pickup appointment. Please note that Bryan's does not allow third-party pickup on invoices paid by credit card. We also don't offer shipping, but will work with you and your preferred shipping vendor. Please check out our frequently asked questions at bryansauction.com, and if you have any issues during the registration, bidding, or payment process, please contact customer experience at bryansfarm.com for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy bidding.